don't look like a Bratz doll. I look like a freaking clone.
Hey guys, this is your girl Moy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and this time I'll be doing the Bratz. Yeah, I'll be recreating a Bratz look, and today I'll be recreating Jasmine. I'm gonna have her photo right here of what I'll be doing. The only thing I see is like she has like this purple line. Sorry guys, I'm missing one nail. Don't worry about it. It is what it is. It's all good. I'll be taking them off soon, so it's all good. Don't watch that. Anyways, she has underneath her eyes, in her eye section, she has a purple line going across. I'm thinking that's supposed to be line or something. I don't know why it's in her eye, but it is what it is. I'm gonna put it on top, and yeah. So this trend has been going on YouTube for quite some time. I think it was popular back in 2017, and now it's popular again back in 2019. And you know, I want to go ahead and do that look for you guys. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then stay tuned. Alright, I think I should just go ahead and voice over this video. So yeah, so let's get on to the video. You'll be hearing a bit of voice over or whatever, but it is what it is. Currently I have my eyebrows like gel down because I didn't have any what's that thing called again, paper glue. So I went ahead and I gelled down my eyebrows. Yeah, that's it. So let's get on. And I'm actually gonna be using my Juvia's palette. I got this for my birthday. My boyfriend picked this up for me, and I'm actually super excited to use this. And he also got me the Urban Studio brush set. So I'll be using these in my video or whatever because I'm actually quite excited to use them. So yeah, especially this. I've been wanting this for so long. I actually just said I wanted a Juvia's palette for so long, and he heard me saying it. So he went ahead and he got me it for my birthday. So yeah. What did you do? So let me see. I went ahead and I picked up some of these in Fontana as well, and it's the Urban Studio beauty blender. So you have the black one and that one right there. So yeah, and I don't know if I'll be using these lashes. I don't think I will, but I'll also pick up those. But that's good. Let's get on to it. So I actually think I'm gonna start by priming my face. I might be talking. I said I was going to do this in a voiceover, but I'm talking, so it is what it is. So let me just go ahead and start by priming my face using my Urban Studio Pro Foundation Primer. So we're gonna start off with our little like translucent color. She has a nice shimmery color up top, then she has a light brown, then a line go across, then a darker brown underneath that, and then she has like purple in her eye, but I'm gonna put this on top of my eyelid. So then I'm gonna put purple there, and yeah, let's do it. And let's go ahead and use our Juve palette, if that's how you pronounce it, whatever. Black Girl Magic. And we're gonna start with this color, being our translucent color, because like I said, she has a light brown and then an even darker brown. Her brown is a bit darker than this brown, but I guess we'll figure it out along the way. That's cute. So I'm gonna go out over that with this brown color that's right here. Now we're gonna go in with our concealer and do a nice little cut crease, because like all Bratz doll has a cut crease. Every single one of them has a cut crease. I'll probably use this one in the corner, the middle one that's here. The mocha, I'll use that in the inner creases, and then as I go out, then I'll go ahead and add the brownie bite. Alright, so the reason I still have a bit of my the concealer from the cut crease showing is because she has a line going across. I'm not sure if it's supposed to give like depth for it being her eyelid or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and add that line, and it's a black line. So let me get one of my flat top brushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that line. Use my angle brush. So I can't actually find my red liner or any of my lip liner. I think they're upstairs and I can't go upstairs. So we're just gonna have to improvise. I have my red lipstick, so I might use this. Let me see. So I might just go ahead and use my red lipstick and try to line my lips. And we're going to overline our lips. Like, do I look like a Bratz doll yet? Because right now I feel like I look like one clone. So that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I look like a freaking clown. Oh my gosh, hell no. I don't look like a Bratz doll, I look like a clone. Get it right. I look like a freaking clone. This was like an epic fail. Wonder if I line my lip again. Hold on. So I tried changing the lips, but this is what I have, guys. My battery's about to.
Alright, so my battery died, guys. However, this is my final look. I don't look like a Bratz doll, I look like a freaking clone. It was an epic fail, because you know, look at this, look at this. I look a hot mess. But I will be trying the Bratz doll non-exaggerated look, like just doing their makeup only. So stay tuned for that video. However, I will not be doing this again. Absolutely not. I look like a clown. I look like I belong in the circus. Like, this ain't it, sis. Like, this ain't it. I don't know who came up with this challenge, but kudos to y'all. But for me, this